Here is another lot of Thomas. This one, it's I think it's a chicken boxes in there. One of these I think came with Bailey. Here is a caboose. This one they're selling for $10 each. Talking Edward. This one works, or partially works. I put a custom LED light in there. I'm going to try to show you and highlight some details. This one, don't remember about this one. Revolution. Remote control. Timings, no remote. Here is one. I think everybody's selling for $50. I don't have the battery cover for that one. Here's this tanker. Emily's missing the face. Here's a good bolster the badge. Now I do not even have the time to clean any of these. Some of these revolutions might or might not work, so I'm posting as untested. This one does come with a custom LED light. Oh, actually, look at this. There's a LED light, blinking light in the back of it. Another one. So I'm gonna fill up the boxes. I think these are Plarail. I don't remember, but one of these passenger cars cost like $8 or $10. Here is Annie missing. I mean, you need the couplers. Wooden railway Terrence. Another passenger car. I do not have any idea about this one. So some of these might be filthy. I will not have even time to clean. I found them as they are, as it is. I used to buy bulk slots. Look, 3D face, troublesome truck tipping car. If I'm not mistaken, these sell for $10 or $12 a piece. 3D face. So I'm gonna put some extras just to fill up the box. Untested. Well, only one comes with battery. Check the link in the description. I'm gonna continue posting more and more. This one comes with a battery cover. Corrosion. Here's the battery cover. It's Bananas Gordon. I think they sell it for $20 or so. Yeah, check the link in the description. Okay, I need to post more.